Ceiling speakers are probably not something most people spend much time thinking about. They're designed to transform your living room or home theater studio into a real cinematic experience with crystal clear highs, detailed mid-ranges, and good bass response. Moreover, the use of in-ceiling speakers in smart homes today is significantly increasing, and this feature is becoming more of a staple in elite homes. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. Let's begin our list with the Yamaha NS-IW280CWH ceiling speaker. It is a versatile, easy to install in-ceiling speaker that reproduces natural sound as only Yamaha can. The woofer is set in a tilted mounting, allowing the user to aim the sound. Swiveling Sound Max tweeters create sizzling highs up to 28 kHz. For maximum flexibility, the aluminum grille is paintable and comes with a protective cover. Its unique crossover design ensures the most excellent sound dispersion from dual tweeters. By pressing on the edge of the tweeters, high-frequency sound can be directed toward the main listening area. The woofer can also be focused by rotating the speaker enclosure, which has a 12-degree pre-tilted construction. Plus, it offers dual 6.5-inch PP mica cone woofers in the 3-way in-ceiling speaker system that provide you with rich and powerful bass. On the other hand, it is equipped with dual 0.75-inch dome tweeters, which give a pleasant and soothing effect while listening to songs. Up next on the list, we have the Acoustic Audio R191. The recommended power of this ceiling speaker is 20-200 watts per speaker, and frequency response is 45 Hz to 22 kHz. Efficiency is 95 decibels, 8 ohm, two-way design, and functionality. It has paintable frames and grilles, low-profile housings that are designed for easy installation, and it provides an integrated wall-lock mounting system with cutout templates for easy installation. Each two-way, the round speaker can handle 200 watts of power and features a 5.25-inch woofer with polypropylene cone and half-inch soft dome tweeter. However, the cutout size is 6.625-inch per speaker, the overall size is 7.625-inch per speaker, and the mounting depth is 3-inch per speaker. The next product on the list is the Yamaha NSIC800WH ceiling speaker. It features a Yamaha original double-layer cone that delivers very natural sound tonality. It has a unique ridge-shape aluminum center cap with a stepped speaker surround eliminates mid-high frequency peaks so the sound is achieved smoothly and musically. Also, the tweeter swivels so it can be aimed for the most effective high-frequency output, and the paintable grille with magnets makes it easy to attach or remove for quick installation. Besides, it uses a blue PP mica cone woofer and fluid-cooled soft dome swivel tweeter in a coaxial design. Moreover, it offers a sealed back cover that protects both the speaker unit and crossover from dust and moisture. Next up on the list, we have the Polk Audio RC85i ceiling speaker. It is equipped with a 6.5-inch dynamic balance woofer that gives you a fuller bass and a separate 1-inch metallized soft dome tweeter that adds more depth and detail to your music. It features a mineral-filled polymer cone and big composite driver baskets that firmly align the moving parts, creating a wider dispersion for even sound coverage throughout the room. Also, the rubber seal drives better response and prevents moisture access. Besides, it uses 20 to 100 watts per channel to pump the volume as high or low as you want with these Polk surround sound speakers. Another advantage is that with the highest wattage of 100 per channel, each unit can pump out enough volume to drive a party or pull you into a movie. The next product on the list is the Acoustic Audio CS-IC83 ceiling speaker. This wide sound dispersion designed speakers easily integrate with new and existing audio systems' traditional passive speaker design, which drive power from your home audio receiver or amp. It comes with 8-inch high rigidity polycone woofers with progressive spiders and butyl rubber surrounds. Also, it is equipped with poly mica mid-ranges and 13mm soft dome tweeters, 3-way passive crossovers for higher fidelity. The frequency response is 40 Hz to 20 kHz with 95 dB at 8 ohm. Its pressure lock mounting system clamps tight to drywall, fits round speakers whole size of 9.49 inch with a mounting depth of 3.7 inches, the overall size of 10.86 inch with spring-loaded raw wire connections, durable ABS housing and grills can be painted to match your decor. Further, the spring-loaded push terminals allow for secure connectivity, and its low-profile baffle housing was designed for simple installation and improved frequency response. Up next on the list, we have the Micca M-8C. It is a two-way in-ceiling speaker with a high excursion 8-inch poly woofer and a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. Also, the perfect integration between the tweeter and woofer is achieved through a 6 decibel crossover network. Besides, it offers a smooth and natural sound signature with robust bass output for an impactful listening experience. Moreover, the 1-inch soft dome tweeter provides sufficient detail and clarity, generating stable and focused imaging for all sound sources in a large sound stage. On the other hand, it is designed for a broadened listening sweet spot, and the tweeter employs a diffuser to assist off-axis response, as well as a pivoting mechanism to achieve proper aiming. Next on the list is the Polk Audio RC80i ceiling speaker. It comes with an 8-inch dynamic balance woofer that gives you a fuller bass and a 1-inch metallized soft dome tweeter that adds more depth and detail to your music. It features sturdy composite driver baskets that keep moving parts in rigid alignment and a wide dispersion design for even sound coverage throughout large rooms. Also, it is constructed of rust-resistant hardware and durable, moisture-resistant materials, and the RC80i is safe for use in bathrooms, kitchens, saunas, or even under outdoor eaves. Besides, it has a 1-inch metallized soft dome tweeter with a 15-degree swivel mount, which makes the tweeter amiable for direct high-frequency control that ensures spacious imaging with amazing clarity. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the Klipsch CDT-5650-C II ceiling speaker. It gives you 100-degree dispersion, and it swivels so that you can aim the sound precisely where you need it to go. You can even rotate the 6.5-inch woofer a full 360 degrees and tilt it up to 15 degrees in any direction. Plus, tweeter and mid-bass level switches let you adjust the sound to suit your taste and the room's acoustics. The visible frame size is reduced by 90%, and grille depth is reduced by 80% over previous designs for a nearly flush finish that blends in beautifully. Plus, the paintable aluminum magnetic grille attaches securely with ease to virtually eliminate resonant distortion. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.